Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. For you parents out there that may be planning to buy, or maybe you already bought, a 2026 Hyundai Palisade, you might have noticed that you can't find the button to activate the child safety locks here on the back doors themselves. That's something that a lot of vehicles have. Let me show you that this door will open, and then I'm going to show you where the button is to activate that feature. It's this button right here on the driver's side door. Now you'll notice there's a light right here. When that light is not illuminated, the child safety locks are not activated, and the windows are also not locked. You do both at the same time. When you see the light right there, that means that the child safety locks are activated and the windows are locked. And so you can see now I can't open that door. If there is another tutorial you would like to see on the 2026 Hyundai Palisade, tell me down in the comments section and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.